Welcome to the channel. My name's Rusty Bartender, and today's cocktail is the Mr Swizzle cocktail. So the history of this drink is that Mr Black held a cocktail competition in 2020, and it was called the Coffee Cocktail Challenge. The winner of that challenge was Nathan Robinson, and he created the Mr Swizzle cocktail, and basically he was trying to stay away from the heavy sort of flavors that coffee brings to a cocktail, and he was trying to make a nice, light and vibrant drink, and this is what he came up with. So this is a drink that's got quite a bit going on, and it's going to be interesting to see how those flavors actually combine. So we'll just start off. Everything's built in the drink, so start off with a highball glass, and we'll start off with 2 dashes of orange bitters. We're then going to go half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice straight into our glass. Half an ounce of a honey syrup. This is a really easy syrup to make. It's 3 parts honey to 1 part water. Then half an ounce of Falernum. Falernum is going to bring those sort of clove, cinnamon notes to this drink. And then we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of Mr Black Liqueur. Here it is, and it specifically says that it's recommended that you use this because Mr Black is not as sweet as other coffee liqueurs out there. And then finally 1.5 ounces of a Demerara rum. Today we're using El Dorado rum. So the recipe says to use pebble ice. I don't have pebble ice, so I'm just going to use some crushed ice, and it says to fill your glass 3/4 of the way full. So magic. And then it says swizzle until the glass is frosty. Don't have a swizzle stick, but you can just use a bar spoon. And then give it a little swizzle. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Please and thank you. This is a bit better. Get it going fast. And then garnish for this is a lemon wheel. There you go, folks. Mr Swizzle. Let's give this a little sip, see what is going on. Bit excited to try this one. Ooh. A lot going on. Get the cloves and the cinnamon from the Falernum, but it's bright. The coffee's there, but it's not like heavy coffee. It's weird. Actually quite refreshing. This is quite tasty as. You can see why this won the competition. Give this one a go, folks. Mr Swizzle.